With Erplain, discover how to save time and improve your business profitability. This demo introduces a sales and inventory management solution designed to help you stay in control of your inventory, purchases, and sales, simply and efficiently. Built for small and medium-sized businesses across all industries, Erplain gives you a clear view of what you have in stock, what you need to reorder, and what you can sell, so you can gain full visibility into your operations. Fully cloud-based, Erplain is a SaaS solution accessible anytime, anywhere, whether you're in the office, in the warehouse, or on the go. In this demo, you'll see how Erplain helps you take control of your operations with ease and efficiency. This is your dashboard, a clear and dynamic control center for your day-to-day operations. At a glance, you can monitor your company's key metrics in real time. Monthly shipments, pending orders, incoming deliveries, everything important is immediately visible without navigating through multiple menus. The widgets are fully customizable. You can choose which ones to display, move them around, and organize them based on your priorities. The side menu gives you access to all the features you need to manage your day-to-day business operations, as well as your account settings. Manage all your customers and suppliers from the Contacts menu. You can create profiles manually in just a few clicks, or import them from CSV or Excel files if you already have an existing database, saving time and avoiding errors. Your product catalog is designed to match the reality of your business. Erplain supports all types of items: physical products, variants, services, bundles, and assemblies. Like Contacts, products can be created manually or imported via CSV or Excel. For example, the packaging feature allows you to purchase products in bulk and sell them in different formats. You might buy 100 units and sell them in smaller packs of 10 or 20. Inventory updates automatically with no manual calculations. As for kits, they're ideal for selling multiple products as a bundle under a single SKU. When a kit is sold, the correct quantity of each item is automatically deducted from your inventory. If you manufacture products, Erplain also supports assemblies. You can create finished goods from components or raw materials. You can define your bills of materials, meaning the list of components required for each finished product. For example, here a pre-built PC is made up of a case, a power supply, RAM, CPU, and GPU. You can also set up routings to define your manufacturing processes and plan your production orders. Component inventory levels are automatically updated as products are assembled. This gives you real-time visibility over both components and finished products. Next, let's take a look at pricing. You can set up simple or advanced pricing structures depending on your needs. With price levels, you can create price lists tailored to different customer groups. You can also assign specific pricing to individual customers or suppliers. In addition, pricing rules and discounts can be configured to automate your sales strategy. For example, apply seasonal pricing, category-based rules, or volume discounts that trigger when a certain quantity is reached, like 10% off orders over 100 units and 20% off over 200 units. Once your products, customers, suppliers, and pricing are set up, you're ready to create your first sale. Erplain is a complete inventory and order management tool that allows you to manage your entire sales cycle while automatically updating inventory, estimates, sales orders, shipping orders, and invoices. You can start at any stage of the process. For example, you can create an invoice directly without generating an estimate or sales order first. Let's start with an estimate. Fields are initially empty, but once you select a customer, all relevant information, addresses, taxes, and the customer's price level fills in automatically. Next, add products to the estimate. You can search by name or SKU, scan barcodes using a scanner or phone, or add multiple items at once from your product list using filters and tags. This is where Erplain stands out. Quantities entered instantly update available inventory, and margins are calculated in real time. You sell what you actually have and keep full control over profitability. You can also add notes, such as terms and conditions, which will appear on the PDF. Internal notes and attachments remain private. Once your estimate is complete, save it. Its number is generated automatically. Estimates do not impact inventory. Inventory is updated only when the estimate is approved and converted into a sales order or invoice. Let's approve the estimate and convert it into a sales order. Inventory is updated automatically. Available inventory decreases while reserved inventory increases. From the sales order, you can generate shipping orders to ship all or part of the order. When creating a shipping order, you can select the warehouse and plan partial shipments if needed. Adjust quantities or deselect items to ship later. Useful if you're waiting for restocking or if your customer prefers staggered deliveries. You can create as many shipping orders as needed. Remaining quantities are calculated automatically. Once created, shipping orders can be viewed or downloaded as PDFs. Shipment status, such as in preparation, shipped, or delivered, provides accurate tracking. Invoices can be generated either from shipping orders or directly from sales orders. All fields are automatically populated based on previous documents and customer data. Simply review and confirm before finalizing. Once finalized, you can record payments as they are received to close the transaction. If a customer has multiple active sales orders, you can also consolidate them into a single invoice. Erplain also supports additional workflows such as deposit invoices, product returns with credit notes or refunds, and drop shipping. With drop shipping, you can generate a purchase order to your supplier directly from a customer order without impacting your inventory. And finally, you can also manage subscriptions to bill products or services on a recurring basis. A sales management tool is truly effective when it's fully connected to inventory. Erplain provides precise inventory tracking across 4 key categories: on-hand inventory, available inventory, reserved inventory, and incoming inventory. On-hand inventory reflects what is physically in your warehouses. Available inventory is what you can sell. It's on-hand minus reserved inventory. Reserved inventory corresponds to quantities allocated to ongoing sales orders. Incoming inventory includes products from pending purchases that will be added once received. If you manage multiple warehouses, you can view inventory levels for each location in one click. Stock entries, stock removals, and transfers allow you to add, remove, or move inventory between locations. With Erplain, stock counts become simple and efficient. You can perform full inventory counts manually by scanning barcodes or via import. Once completed, inventory levels are updated accordingly. With real-time visibility across all locations, you can avoid stockouts and overstocking. Effective inventory management requires anticipating stock shortages. Let's look at how Erplain handles replenishment. There are 3 ways to restock products. You can create a purchase order directly from the Purchases menu. The interface is similar to sales orders. Just enter products, quantities, supplier, destination warehouse, and the appropriate price level. You can also create a purchase from a sales order either for the full order or only for missing quantities needed to fulfill it. You can choose a supplier for each product, adjust quantities manually, and create a new purchase order or update an existing one. Finally, you can generate purchases based on reorder points, either by product or by stock location. Once a purchase is created, incoming inventory is updated. It becomes available inventory only after the products are received. You can define reorder points for each product by location, meaning you set a minimum stock level you don't want to go below to prevent stockouts. Email alerts can also notify you when inventory reaches critical levels. Inventory logs give you a complete history of all stock movements, including user actions, dates, products, quantity changes, and their source, whether it comes from Erplain or a connected app. To support your decision-making, Erplain offers detailed reporting tools. Reports include quantities sold, total revenue, taxes, and most importantly, margins, key to ensuring profitability. Reports are customizable, with a range of filters to help you analyze what matters most to your business. For example, use product tags to drill down into specific product categories. Sales reports help you analyze performance, identify top-selling products, your most active location, and peak sales periods. You can track performance by time period or by sales reps. Another essential metric is inventory valuation. You can view it globally or by location and track its evolution over time. In your settings, you can choose the valuation method that best fits your business: MAC, FIFO, or LIFO. To boost your sales and simplify B2B ordering, Erplain offers two complementary solutions: the B2B Store and Erplain Go. The B2B Store lets your customers browse your catalog and place orders online on a fully customizable e-commerce platform connected to Erplain. You get a dedicated dashboard for B2B Store orders, making it easy to quickly view key information. Invite your customers in just one click, and even view the carts of customers who have access to your store. Each customer can have their own product selection and pricing. Settings allow you to fully configure your store, including the URL, which elements to display or hide, colors, visuals, and which products to include. Highlight specific products on your B2B store to increase their visibility with your customers. Looking to operate with lean inventory or clear out stock? Allow orders only for products that are currently in stock. Want to use it as a simple product catalog? You can disable ordering directly from the B2B store. From the customer's perspective, here is an example of a fully set up and customized B2B store interface. Customers can view products, pricing, available inventory, tags, variants, and minimum order quantities. The B2B store enables your resellers to reorder easily and independently. The second ordering solution is Erplain Go, available on desktop, tablet, and smartphone. This tool allows your sales reps and field teams to present the product catalog to customers and place orders on the spot. Customer profiles can be created directly in the app. Once a customer is selected from the main menu, their default settings, such as price levels and shipping address, are automatically applied when creating the order. By switching from sales mode to inventory mode, Erplain Go can also be used by businesses with mobile teams, such as technicians, to record stock removals for parts or items prepared for their daily jobs. Another key strength of Erplain is its ease of use and flexibility. The interface is intuitive. and company settings are easy to configure to match your business needs. Two particularly popular features are PDF customization and user permissions. You can create custom PDF templates to tailor the layout and content of your documents. For example, you may display product SKU on sales orders but not on invoices. Multiple templates can be created and assigned to specific customers or suppliers. User permissions are flexible, allowing you to control exactly what each team member can access or modify. This helps prevent errors and ensures smooth workflows. For example, one user can be allowed to create estimates and sales orders without being able to issue invoices. Another can create product profiles, but not delete them. Erplain connects with various tools to eliminate duplicate data entry and streamline your operations. For accounting, you can connect to QuickBooks Online. For e-commerce, the native Shopify integration lets you centralize your B2B and B2C sales and track your inventory in real time. For payments, Stripe allows your customers to pay invoices online in just one click. Erplain also provides an open API, allowing you to build custom integrations with your existing tools. We hope this demo has been helpful. Take control of your sales, inventory, and purchases today with Erplain, a powerful, reliable, and innovative solution. Start your free trial at go.erplain.app.